Hello, good evening, friends. One of the question that has been asked by my student. Let us see what the question is. Question is the formation of ionic bond in the AlCl3. So she is asking that is how to explain the formation of ionic bond in the AlCl3. So if you see student, here is what are the atoms are there. Here is the aluminum is there. Aluminum atomic number what is there? 13. So you see the configuration. What is there? 2, 8, 3. That is 13. How many valence electron is 3? So aluminum, if you are representing Lewis dot symbol, so how you can represent 1, 2, 3? Aluminum can be represented. This is Al3 dot. Now we see how many chlorine atoms are there. Chlorine atom, 3 chlorine atoms are there. Chlorine 1, chlorine 2, chlorine 3. So a configuration is 2, 8, 7. Here is also 287 and this chlorine is also 287. Now each chlorine atom, if you check out, each chlorine atom is having how many valence electrons? 7 electron. So how we can represent here? If you want to represent the Lewis dot symbol for the chlorine, so how we can represent one chlorine is here, another chlorine is here, another chlorine is here. So now try to understand, student, this chlorine is having how many valence electron? So 1, 2, 3, 4, here is 5, 6, 7 and this chlorine is also having that is 7 valence electron, 7 valence, and this chlorine is also having how many valence electron? 7 valence electron. So what will happen, student, to complete the octet for the aluminum, what it will do to complete the octet, this required to donate 3 electron. And metal, we know aluminum is a metal and metal is having tendency to transfer the electron. So what aluminum will do, student, it will transfer 1 electron to this chlorine atom and here is another electron to this chlorine atom and one more electron to this chlorine atom. So what will happen after transferring student, you see that is the representation you see, that is how many electron aluminum transfer to the chlorine, the 3 electron is transferred. So it will acquire 3 positive charge on aluminum. And how many chlorine atom is there? 3 chlorine atom, and how each chlorine atom require 1 electron, so negative charge. So this is the ionic bond in AlCl3, ionic bond in AlCl3. Dear student, the representation is also we can represent ionic bond in AlCl3. How we can represent? Here is also possible that you represent Al, here is the 3 positive charge, and Cl3, this is only the 1 negative charge. Okay. So this is the way to represent. So if you are representing, that is the 1 negative charge multiplied by 3. So this is like that. Otherwise what we can do here, student, the best representation is this for the ionic bond in the AlCl3. So no need to represent like this, you can represent this one. So what we did, student, so Al has 3 electron extra than octet. Al has 3 electron extra than octet, and 3 chlorine atom each having 3 chlorine atom comma each having 1 electron less than octet. So what they are doing, student, to complete the octet, what it is required, complete the octet, it is required that is aluminum will transfer it to transfer its 3 electron to the chlorine atom, up 3 electron to chlorine atom. In bracket I am writing each one electron, each chlorine atom 1 electron, each, here we can write each Cl atom, how many electron, student? Each Cl atom, if you are writing, that is each Cl atom 1 electron. So what will happen if each Cl atom will acquire 1 electron? So as a result, if you are writing here, I am erasing there. So at the top of the board I am writing. So as a result, what is happening, student? If the 3 electron is transferred, then as a result, aluminum is having how many electrons, student? As a result, aluminum will acquire what it will acquire? 3 positive charge, and having complete octet, and each chlorine atom, Cl atom acquire, except, you can say, except what, student? Except one electron, and acquire one negative charge on each chlorine atom, one negative charge on each chlorine atom, As a result, what is happening? Each is completing the octet. Here is what configuration, student. If you see here, it will be after transfer 2-8. If 3 electron is transferred, so 2-8. Here is what will be, student? 2-8-8. And last electron, you see, student, here is a transfer electron 2 to 4 to 6 1 7. This is transfer 8. 2 to 4 to 6 1 7, and this is transfer electron 8. So like this, here after transfer you are representing, here is Al3 plus and 3Cl minus. So ionic bond in AlCl3 can be explained like this. Okay, try to understand, students.